Good day, ma'am. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Ma'am and Sir. My name is Monica G. Roque. I'm 34. I'm married with 4 kids, and I'm high school graduate, and I had experience here in the Philippines, 2 years Finnish contract.
Tell me about your responsibilities in your previous job.
My duties and responsibilities is taking care of a kid and washing clothes, going market, ironing, car washing, and all household works.
Can you tell us how will you take care of the children, a baby, and elderly?
I will take good care of them by cooking food for them and feeding them, make sure they are healthy and clean, and by serving them as my own family.
Please tell us some of your skills.
Madam and Sir, I can cook Filipino food and willing to learn more about cooking.
What are the traits necessary to be a good domestic helper?
Madam and Sir, it is necessary to be hardworking person, honest, fast learner, God-fearing, and multitasking.
Anything else you want to tell for your future employer? Can you tell them now?
Madam and Sir, I will promise to finish my 2 years contract. Thank you and God bless.